Hello guys, I face some problem my VSCode, so need to fix. Now I want to go default setting. I will show you two method to find settings.json file. VSCode like setting button is right side and my theme color not good. So now I need to fix it. Okay, find out this gear icon left side or right side, no problem. Just find out this gear icon, then click this button settings. This settings shortcut key control plus comma. So my keyboard control plus comma. Here I see the setting button. Then another way to find settings option, click your file and go preference, and here the same settings. My Visual Studio Code is not okay, so I can't see the icon. It have shoot JSON icon this place, but I can't see it. Now I type the search bar settings.js. Here the you see edit in settings.json. Just open. Here the all your settings. I select all settings and delete, means clear all settings, then cross this JSON settings, means I will save it, and here the pop-up and save. You already see the my default setting already here. Okay, now I close my VSCode and again I open. See, this is my VSCode default setting. Okay, here again I go this option settings. Here I tell you this icon. If you find at first this JSON icon, simply click the JSON icon, and here you will show all the JSON settings. Let's check settings. Just go on settings and I will set a color theme. Okay, I will set Monica. I set Monica. Here you see the theme is set JSON automatically, and this is Monica theme, and I again set on icon, theme icon, VSCode icon. Here this icon is here. So again I go settings and here this two setting is available. If I delete this two setting, again my VSCode is default. So now I show you method 2. If you couldn't find this method, your VSCode settings or file bar, file, then go preference, then settings, or right side or left side setting bar and go settings, then click and or control comma. If this all method not work, I will go show you another method, that means method 2. Okay, your search your Windows run. Here the Windows run, then type percentage AppData AppData again person, then OK. Then this is my Windows roaming hidden file. Then you go code. Then go user. Here this is path, and here the settings dot json file, the same file format. This work will same. So open and select and right button, click open, choose another app and select notepad. Here is the your setting VSCode, and clear your all setting and save. Open. Now open VSCode. Here you see your VSCode is default. So I hope your problem already fixed. So thank you.